Hey guys, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Urvi. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. If you want to check me out on my other social media platforms, here are all the links. Okay, now here in North India's winters are almost here. It's getting a little bit chilly. It's the perfect hoodie weather, and honestly, I think my favorite time of the year. With everything that's been happening this year, personally, the amount of clothes I'm buying has drastically decreased, and I thought that may be the case with some of you too. So I decided to share like 10 winter essentials, kind of like a mini winter haul. But according to me, these are the pieces that you majorly need this winter. And with all of this, there's also going to be tips in between on how you can repurpose your clothes, restyle your summer clothes, so that whenever you're looking to buy something for your winter wardrobe, you are just very thoughtful, very careful, and these pieces hopefully will play a huge part of your winter collection. Okay, the first piece I want to share, now most of you may already know about it, but so many people don't understand the importance of this, and that is literally a thermal. Yes, I'm literally showing you thermals because I recently went on a trip. It was a very last minute thing. My winter wardrobe wasn't sorted at all. I didn't even remember what clothes I had and what I didn't have. So what I did was I used to simply wear my full sleeve thermal. This is how it looks like, with a basic pair of black leggings, throw in a black tee on top of this, and then I just came up with these two beautiful outfits. The first outfit I did was wrapped around this skirt with leggings and just threw on this loose pullover I have. And for the second outfit, again, I'm wearing the same thing underneath, black leggings, a thermal and a t-shirt, and then I layered it on with this nude kind of dress and a black shrug. Now, all of these pieces I wore on top were not for extreme cold, they are for like your basic transition fall stage, and I thought to use them itself in those extreme winter conditions by just layering underneath. And so you can do the same if you're going to a very chilly place, or you know it's going to get very cold. You can just invest in a thermal and repurpose whatever light clothes you have that may not necessarily be for the extreme winters. Now with the coming winters, I just want to shoot in a little bit reminder to stay safe and to encourage you to stay home as much as possible is this fuzzy pink shrug. And for those of you who are already staying home, a pink fuzzy shrug jacket that you can just throw on is so nice. It's like one of my favorite pieces. It's a very nice pink colored fuzzy coat, and it has a little zip enclosure. It also has a little hood to keep me warm. Now honestly, this one is not like super thick, and which is why I like it this way. Depending upon how cold it's gonna get in your area, you can invest in the quality of the fabric accordingly. Now moving on to the extreme end, if you do want to dress up, maybe you never know, all of us on New Year's are going to be in our houses all dressed up, so go for it. But if you're looking for like a nice dress option for winters, you know, you still want to feel fancy, you still want to dress up, but it gets cold, then I have this amazing dress, ripped dress. It's like a ripped knit dress I got from Cooves, I think like 2 years back now. So it's basically a really nice figure hugging maxi dress. It has a turtleneck right here, which I think looks super cool and like is always in trend. And as you go down, you also have like a little slit on the side. You can again pair this with boots, maybe wear leggings underneath, whatever makes you comfortable. But this is such a simple piece, yet it complements me so well. I've chosen a nice olive tone to go with my skin color. And similarly on those lines, just to show you guys an option that you can be dressed up but still not freeze, this is a really nice black jumpsuit I have, again full length. Iska zip kharab ho chuka hai because again this is how much I've used it. It's again from Cooves, and this is basically again a full length knit jumpsuit. Looks so cute, is figure hugging. I love the way it looks on me. Again, black looks super good, and this you can literally accessorize in so many different ways. Dress this up, dress this down. So this is like a good option of how you can wear party wear in winters. Okay, let's move on to footwear. Now again, I think one of my top reasons why winter is my favorite is because you can wear boots all the time. If it were me, I would wear boots in summer also. So I thought, why not share my boot recommendations? I keep like switching them up every once in 2 years, and these are the ones I got last season, and I've worn them so much because again in the trip pictures you saw I only carried these boots, and because they are black they go with everything, and because they are thigh high, they really make a statement. What you can do is switch these for flat ones if you're not comfortable in heels. That's totally your choice. I enjoyed wearing these so much, and I'm the kind of person who carries like each different boot for every different outfit, but I did not this time, surprisingly, just because these boots made me feel really good and matched with every outfit. Another option are these little pair of ankle boots. Now once again, you can get them in like a flatter heel. I personally like this height and I like the fact that it's square. Looks super cute, and again the color, monochrome color, perfect for this season, will go with almost every outfit and will make you look really good. I'm going to move on to my jacket recommendations. Again, one of my favorite pieces for the winter. You can layer them, they look so nice. One thing I'm obviously have always been obsessed with are denim jackets, and honestly if you don't have one and you're looking for a good jacket, I would highly suggest a denim jacket, simply because I feel like it just suits everyone and obviously will keep you cozy. Second option, this I think I got from Forever 21, is a leather jacket. Again, I don't think they are ever gonna go out of style, out of trend. Now for my first leather jacket, I wanted it to be a little bit different, so I bought one with text on the sleeves. It has really nice little zip details here, and even like a belt. And again, I have never ever regretted investing in my denim and leather jackets. Next, if you're looking for something that you can get the full use out of, something that can be worn casually or like for work, is according to me a simple mono-colored fuzzy sweater. I'm clearly in love with fuzzy things. This again I got from Forever 21, and this is a really nice lilac sweatshirt. They're basically till your waist, not very cropped, not very long, can be worn casually with jeans or boots, or if you want to wear this to work, then you can just layer on like a formal jacket. Second option, again I've worn this for so many years. It's just so overused because I used to wear this to college. I used to wear this for like a casual outing. I used to wear this with pajamas if I didn't want to, dress up. Is this one. This one was from H&M. This one was from like the basic collection. Very decent length and a round neck is a very safe option. But I've gotten so much use out of these. Lastly, these are my two when it gets really cold and if you're living in North India, then to wear for like 15 days clothes. So this is firstly basically a beanie. Instead of a simple black one, I got this pom-pom one. It is so freaking cute. I feel like putting it on right now. Oh, I miss wearing beanies. I actually want the weather to get cold so that I can wear beanies. But in case you do, then adding a little twist with these pom-poms is a really cute idea. And the next thing I got last winters for like those extreme conditions again is this teddy coat. It's basically like a shorter coat and the fabric is all over velvet. With black, I decided to go for a nice dark navy blue color. Again, it pretty much will go with everything. Like this is just the last thing that I pick up when I'm going out over any outfit. In case it gets cold, I know that this will be there no matter what. And yeah, I think this was it. Do share what's like that one winter clothing which you just cling on to and which is like your go-to for winter season, and maybe it'll help someone in the comments box. Please leave the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and do click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. I saw my metric on YouTube and the amount of people who don't have notifications on is a lot, so help me get that down. Hit the notification bell and click on all notifications so that you are notified whenever I upload a video. Any other ideas, suggestions, comments, thoughts, feedback, ideas you may have, drop them down in the comments box below, and I shall see you very soon with another video.